Welcome to our guide on applying for an Australian visa as a digital nomad. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or remote worker, Australia offers unique visa options just for you. First, let's explore the subclass 482 temporary skill shortage visa, which allows businesses to sponsor foreign workers in skill shortages. To be eligible for the subclass 482 visa, you must have relevant skills and qualifications for your occupation. Let's break down these requirements. You will need several documents to submit with your application, including your skills assessment, proof of qualifications, and your resume. Let's walk through the step-by-step process for applying, from gathering documents to submitting your visa application online. Here are some essential tips to enhance your chances of a successful application, including maintaining clear communication with your employer and being thorough in your paperwork. If the subclass 482 isn't right for you, consider other options such as the subclass 186 Employer Nomination Scheme or the subclass 494 Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Visa. It's also crucial to have valid health insurance while in Australia. It's a requirement for your visa application, so don't overlook it. Many applicants make mistakes that can delay or jeopardize their visa. Let's look at common errors to avoid to ensure a smooth application process. Thank you for watching. For more information and resources about applying for your Australian visa as a digital nomad, check out the links below. Good luck on your journey.